Up the road in Austin, where keeping it weird is what's required, you'll find some of the best food in the state. And this local spot is no exception. Jack Allen's Kitchen is not only known for its amazing food and locally sourced products, it's also known for this guy, executive chef and co-owner Jack Gilmore.
Order up, baby. Order up. Let's rock and roll.
That's Jack, known for his big voice, big heart.
You okay, buddy? It's good to see you, man.
And yeah, big hair. Jack may be the face of Jack Allen's Kitchen, but he'll be the first to tell you everyone that works here is part of the family. Jack Allen's is known for giving back, whether it's to farmers in need or a customer's favorite charity. There's always an effort here to make lives better. On this night, the give back involves a special bottle of wine.
This is a killer wine from Austin Hope out of California. You'll know more about it tomorrow, but one of these bottles sold will give one person fresh water in Kenya for 12 years. That's pretty cool. I got tingled all of a sudden. So.
What goes around comes around at Jack Allen's. Reclaimed wood and other repurposed items make up the comfy decor. A surplus of local produce bought at farmers markets is pickled and sold to customers. Waste not, want not comes to mind.
We'll feed 400 people tonight, 500 people tonight, but everybody's going to have fun, I promise you that.
I have no doubt.
And that's my goal in life, is make sure everybody has fun, has a great meal.
Speaking of that great food, Jack Allen's tender bacon-wrapped quail legs are legendary in Austin. And that's no ordinary chicken fried steak. It's a giant double-bone beef rib, chicken fried to perfection. It all comes together back in the very busy kitchen.
We're trying to get set up for tonight. We just had a really busy lunch, fed a lot of great people.
It's all about people here. The folks who work here, who come through the doors to dine here, and the ones you don't see. The farmers that supply all the food at Jack Allen's.
About 80% about every plate that we put out is as local as it can be.
That's amazing.
You know, if you get a nice piece of salmon, everything that goes with it is from Texas.
Well, for a menu as big as yours to have that kind of a statistic, a rep, that's pretty cool.
We care about it. We truly care about it for all the right reasons. Number one is we want to be local and we want to take care of our people. You know, when I grew up in the valley in Brownsville, and I always said, let's take care of my gente. Let's take care of my people.
You've lost the corporate look you had some years back.
I deal with farmers now. This came to me the day of Easter. On Easter Day, I got a call from the farmer and said, I got it ready. This is an 81-pound nice feral hog from Texas. Further fed, well raised, and it's going to taste good.
The menu at Jack Allen's covers a lot of ground. Everything from colorful salads to their popular border-inspired enchiladas served in a cast iron pan. There's also fresh seafood and a killer dessert menu done by an in-house pastry chef.
My goal is to cater to 8 people from all over the country at one table, and they're all happy and they all find something. This is a sashimi grade tuna, right from the Gulf of Mexico.
How fresh is this puppy?
This probably was swimming about 2 days ago. And no doubt about that. So we got it in today from our friends at Quality Seafood, and you're looking at about a 10, 15-pound loin right here. You like sushi, right?
Absolutely.
Sashimi?
Yeah.
If you're not scared, I'm just going to take a piece off. It's just like cutting watermelon and handing it to you.
Oh, you got it.
I mean, look at that. You tell me how fresh it is. This is that green chili pork Tanji I was talking about. So it's going to be raised for about 4 to 6 hours, real slow. We're cooking with a lot of chili peppers, tomatilla, and then a little cilantro at the end. And we make some really, really nice South Texas street tacos.
Ah, green chili.
Yeah.
Love
and then
that.
we also use this for a little bit of our queso, our Carl Miller's queso, right on top. So we put queso, guacamole, and this green chili pork right on top. Come on, who doesn't like that?
Oh, yeah.
Mix it with chips.
Now, when I look at your menu and I think, leave the diet at home.
Yeah, for
there
sure,
are too
for
many
sure.
fun things here.
I want you to have a cold beer with that, or a really nice margarita, and get a little spice in your life, and let's have some fun.
I
with
want
it.
to.
There you go.
You can't help but have fun in the kitchen with Jack. Smells amazing. Actually, all the smells
yeah.
back here. Pretty dang good.
It's a little hot back here, doesn't it?
Can you tell? It's not just me. That gorgonzola and spinach stuffed ravioli he was whipping up there in that very hot kitchen was delicious. And remember that giant hunk of fresh Gulf tuna? It was served on a bed of rice laced with lump crab meat alongside a tangy pickled apple slaw. Fantastic. And a big hit on the menu that night where it was standing room early on. Something that's common at all three Jack Allen's locations.
Everybody likes to come here. It's good, close in the neighborhood, great food, great drinks, just a great atmosphere.
We are going to find out how to make that delicious skillet enchilada dish from Jack Allen's right now. I'm with my expert at HEB and the Cooking Connection, Chef Belinda. And you figured out a way to make this recipe super easy and super fast.
Oh yeah, super easy and fast. Start with rotisserie chicken. Go ahead and pull it off and chop it. We're going to use the Rockin' Moroccan sauce from Texas Brew. It's got those smoky morita peppers and pepitas in there. We're going to use some creamy queso Oaxacan, some Mexican crema, and a sprinkle of the espresso chili rub from Adams.
All right, this will come together in minutes.
In a cast iron skillet. Delicious, Tanji. For the warm sauce that goes in the layer, I'm mixing together the Rockin' Moroccan sauce, Mexican crema, and chicken broth. This is going to come together for a nice simmering boil. This will be poured in between the enchilada layers and on top before you put them in the oven. This is the shredded rotisserie chicken for the chicken layer in the enchiladas. And it's also mixed with crema mexicana and the Texas Brew Rockin' Moroccan sauce. Quick and easy. Let's go ahead and assemble. We put the hot sauce in the bottom of the pan, and then one softened tortilla with some of the chicken mixture.
We're just layering, right?
Layering, that's all that we're doing. This is really easy. More of the sauce. Okay, you can spoon it around. And then you're going to put your second softened tortilla on top of that. You can go ahead and spoon on more chicken. And we're going to spoon on more of this hot sauce. All right like that. And then for the fabulous finish with this great sauces, put some Oaxacan cheese on top. This is going to go in the oven and for a couple of minutes until it's hot and bubbly, and we'll finish it off with a fried over medium egg. And here come the layered enchiladas, hot and bubbly right from the oven. Look how nice that melty Oaxacan cheese is on top. We're going to go ahead and top it right now with this fabulous fried egg. Slide it right on, right out of the oven, topping it with the egg and the espresso chili rub, and you've got your fabulous South Texas layered enchiladas ready to eat.
Let's dive in. So easy to make, right in your very own kitchen. Our Texas trifecta takes us next to Houston, where sizzling Gulf seafood is the star, but so is the modest chef with an incredible story. Plus, find out how you could win a luxury weekend at one of Houston's premier hotels. And my wine finds of the week. By HEB.